Hi everybody and welcome in the Thenewbutler kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it, the risotto all'amarone with Monte Veronese cheese. The ingredients are, for the stock, 1 red onion, 1 carrot and a few sticks of celery, pepper, salt, Monte Veronese cheese, riso Vialone Nano that you can find just in our website, grated grana padano, extra virgin olive oil turri, red wine Amarone della Valpolicella Riserva, Orione. Okay, we start with the preparation. First of all, we have to put on the stock. Like I told you, put the water on fire. I have already cut it 1 onion, 1 carrot and a few sticks of celery. Big pieces, it doesn't matter if you cut or not, we have just to put inside the water and we put inside. Okay, now we take the Monte Veronese cheese, we took it off the rind and we keep on side because later we can do a cheese rind, crispy cheese rind. This we keep on side. I take some oven paper, is easier after to put on the dish. This could be enough for the quantity of 2 persons. Now I will open the wine and then after we start to cook the rice and the wine reduction. Okay, before doing the rice, we're gonna do a wine reduction, in this case an Amarone reduction. For doing that, we use some sugar, we make a glucose. When the sugar is melted, we add the wine and we burn it and we let it cook until it becomes more than half. The consistency should be like a syrup. Then, in the meantime, we start to cook the rice. We start to toast it with some oil in the bottom and we put the rice, we toast it, we just add some extra wine and we leave to cook, adding a little by little the stock until it is cooked after 12 minutes. The pan don't need to be hot for doing the glucose because we burn the sugar. Cold pan, we put the sugar, just a bit, we can add a little by little during the cooking of the reduction. I use a Maurice to move the sugar. Be careful with the fire, should be really low. We don't need that the sugar becomes brown, but just melt. The sugar is melted, now we add the wine. After that we add the wine, we can put the fire high because we have to heat the wine and then we need to flambe. In the meantime the stock is boiling and is keeping all the flowers by all the vegetables that we have put inside. You can see by the side of the pan that the wine is hot because it starts to boil, bring to boil. You can see some bubbles on the side. You can see that the wine is taking out all the alcoholic part with the fire. Be careful, that could be hot. Okay, like I said before, now we let the reduction cook until it becomes like a syrup, and we start to cook the rice. We switch on the fire and we put the extra virgin olive oil on the bottom. When the oil is hot, we put the rice and we start to toast it. I suggest when you toast the rice to put some salt, and then you add little by little during the cooking. Okay, the rice is toasted. Now we add the Amarone wine until you cover all the rice. Okay, now that we add the wine, we let it cook for a few minutes until it is absorbed by the rice, and then we start to cook little by little the stock until the rice is cooked. It takes around 12 minutes from when you put the first part of red wine. Like you can see from the images, the rice absorbed all the wine, and then we can add a little by little the stock. I suggest you don't put a lot, just a bit of time, and you still keep moving the rice. Okay guys, now the rice is ready. We need to close it the cooking with the butter, the Monte Veronese and the grated grana padano. Then the reduction is already cooked, like you can see, have the consistency like a syrup, and now we start to finish the recipe. We add some stock because like Italians want, we need the rice all'onda, buono all'onda. We add, without the fire, some grana padano to taste, some Monte Veronese and some butter. As you can see, the rice is all'onda. This is why is all'onda, looks like a sea. Look, the quantity of cheese depends by you, but the rice needs to be a little bit creamy. Before plating, we add a bit of reduction inside to change the color. The rice is ready, we can plate it. Okay, we start to plate it. We put the rice in the center of the plate. We just move it. We put a little bit of pepper around. We add the reduction. And then some extra Monte Veronese cheese on the top. And now, why not drink a glass of Amarone? Cheers and buon appetito!